Now, if you look on the line, let's say we have here 0, and here there's 1. So we start, 0 is called our origin because we start there. Then we make a movement. The sign tells us which way to move. See, positive tells you to go in the positive direction. Positive tells you to go in the right direction. So we go right. To get to 1. Zero minus 1 equals -1 or -1. Or equivalently, you could also say that's 0 plus a -1 or a -1 plus 0. Now, if we have 1 plus 2, one plus 2 is also equal to +1 plus a +2. The sum of 1 and 2. So the sign tells you what direction to travel, right or left. The positive sign denotes movement toward the right, or on the right side of the line. Positive sign means travel right. Negative sign means travel left. One plus 2 on the number line. Let's say this is 0. We have 1, 2, and 3. Now, 0 is called origin because that's where your travels originate. Here we see 1 plus 2. Here we just see 1. If I write 1, by writing 1 on a paper, that denotes that it's a positive 1. So meaning that anytime you see a 1, we assume it to be positive. So this means a positive 1, meaning move 1 once in the succession along the positive direction. Or meaning move right 1 time. The sign tells you which way to move. For example, if I had -1, that would mean move left. So if I had -1, this is where your -1 would be. Move left 1 time. So here we start at 0, which is our origin. I say 1. So here I am at 1. I say plus. This tells me another movement toward the right. Plus because I said +2. So here we're going to move towards a +2. So move right 2 times. From 1. 1, 2. 2 times from 1, we end up at the marking 3. We start at 0, go to 1, and then from 1, we add 2 to equal 3. The movement on the number line. Path 2 plus 2, that equals 4. Or we started from 0, we say this is 0. This is your first point, your second point, your third point, and fourth point on the number line. So 2 tells you to start from 0 and go to 2. Go right towards 2 because 2 is a +2. And then it says plus another 2. So we count 2 more equal spaces from 2. 1, 2. And this is at the marking of 4. Let's say if we have 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. With algebra, we would also always rewrite that as We write a 2 minus 2 as a 2 plus the addition the addition of 2 and a negative 2.